Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Holowitz from 365 Act Tips and also TonyTheTeacher.com. In this tutorial, I want to talk to you about something else that's new in Act 16. If you wanted to reschedule a number of activities in previous versions, that was a little awkward at best. But having said that, I'm going to come down here on the task list right here and I'm going to click on that. When we have multiple things that we want to reschedule, there's a new way to do it. But to show you that, I'm going to start by rescheduling or showing you how to reschedule one thing, just to keep it simple. I'm going to right click on this first item right here. And when I right click, I can come to Reschedule Activity. When I do that, the Schedule Activity dialog box will come up and I can change the date and time. So rescheduling one activity is pretty straightforward. Just simply right click on it and you can do that. But the dilemma is, what happens when you want to reschedule multiple activities? Well, I'm going to click on any one of these activities and I'm going to hold and I'm just going to drag down to grab a bunch of activities in order. If I want to reschedule all these activities in one fell swoop, now I click on the right mouse button again and I'm going to go to Reschedule Activity. But instead of the dialog box popping up, what happens is it pops up a calendar. And I can click on the day I want to reschedule them to, and now it will reschedule all of these to that date, the 25th. But on that note, one thing that's different is it's not going to keep the same exact time. And I want you to observe over here, these have a scheduled time. It's going to make all of these items timeless, meaning there's not going to be an exact time. And the reason it does that is because of the simple fact is it doesn't know or it can't be sure what you have scheduled on that day, and it doesn't want to create a conflict. So in a nutshell, it makes all those things timeless. Now obviously, something like a phone call, I think you can get away with making those things timeless. But maybe a meeting you can't. So just be aware of that when you're rescheduling these things. You might want to go into the 25th and do a little work on that calendar for that particular day. But all you have to do to reschedule these is click on OK, and it's going to reschedule them all for the 25th, but it's going to make them timeless, meaning there's no specific time that day that they have to be done. My name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you very much for being here. Have a wonderful day.